All right, so it's Sunday, October 24th, I think. We're starting a dash. We're gonna dash for about 3 hours, I think. I've been not feeling well, so I'm gonna try and dash for 3 hours. It's like 3 o'clock now. Just got an order for a Wendy's. I was really on the way to where I'm headed. So it's $5.25 for 3 miles. So the numbers kind of work out there. So I thought I'd go ahead and just grab that and then drop it off. But we'll be doing this dash today, this ride along, and
take the next left, then turn left.
And just kind of stacking them up here. I'll do the numbers at the end. Please like and subscribe.
Take the next left.
And we'll be back with our delivery in just a little bit.
Turn left.
All right, so we dropped that off, $5.25. Pretty simple deal. Gated community. So it's easy to find. It's a house. These houses are big. So we're just kind of still migrating our way to the surge area. So this was just kind of an easy, quick stop along the way. So I went ahead and took it. But for $5 and it was along the way, I mean, it's all right. I'm not really trying to go too hard today. Again, not feeling super great. No, I don't have, you know what we're talking about. I don't have that. I've already had that. And, yeah. I tested myself too anyway, so, and I was good. So, just a little sinus thing, but it got me not feeling too good, so. But anyway, we're still headed to the surge area, and we will see if we can get some peak pay orders and go from there, see what happens. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, we just picked up some Chipotle action. Again, it's pushing me towards the area that I want to be in, so that's fine. It's $5.50. Not a very gigantic order, but it's on the way, so I just feel like it's easier to just kind of drop them off as I go. So we'll be taking that up there. It's I think it's like 5 miles away, so it's not that far away. The only thing that really kind of annoyed me about this one is that I had to turn myself around and go back in the opposite direction I was already heading. So that was a little annoying. So, but that's okay. So anyway, we're headed to drop this off. All right, so we just dropped off that Chipotle. Again, it was $5.50. Hand it to me order. So it was okay. I mean, again, it was on the way to the dash area with the peak pay, which that's coming up in like 10 minutes. So I'm on my way to that area. I ended the current dash, so it was an hour. I made $10.75. So it wasn't terrific, but I could have just gone straight up there, I guess, because it's already peak pay, and I probably should have just done that. But whatever. I mean, I made $10, so it's fine. Plus, put some miles on the car, so I can, do the gas deduction. So it's fine. It's no big deal. We're gonna do 2.5 hours on peak pay. I think it's about all the energy I'm going to have for the day. So we'll go ahead and get started in about 10 minutes, right close to the area. And we'll go from our first order when we get there. Well, it's 4:15. I haven't gotten an order in like 20 minutes. So I ended the dash. I mean, I'm sitting here and I want to just keep driving around, waiting. I moved to the different hot spots, and each time I move there, nothing happens, and then it just goes away. Probably the calm before the storm somewhat, but it's kind of a weird day today. I don't know. Football's on and stuff, but locally here, there's no football games going on, so people are just kind of out meandering around and stuff, doing stuff because it's a bye week. for the team here locally, and so I mean, people are just kind of out and about. I don't think they're at home ordering stuff right now. So I'm just gonna go home again. Not feeling totally great. Haven't been that feeling super motivated because a little under the weather. So I'm just gonna go home and then regroup. Maybe go out tomorrow during lunch and maybe in the early afternoon, see what happens there. Maybe things get kind of swing back into normal. So we're gonna put all this together, put it in a video, do the numbers. The numbers will be horrible, but so be it. Call it an evening. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Appreciate that. All right, so here are the number breakdowns. This is for October 24th. This is the breakdown. Just terrible. Probably not even worth driving out there, but I went ahead and did it anyway. So we made $10.75. We worked 1 hour. It was 1 hour and 1 minute. We're going to count a minute. We drove 35 miles. So the per mile breakdown, it was 31 cents. That's just terrible. Literally half of the money made went to gas and expenses. So, I mean, really, the actual number was $5.66. We actually get a tax deduction in this case that would actually makes us money in this scenario. So total after taxes is $13.41. And total profit after all expenses and your actual hourly pay on this one's $8.32. So it's just completely terrible. But I was counting on that peak pay. I was hoping that was going to kick in, but I wasn't getting any orders, so it didn't make sense for me to stay out there. Maybe I should have stuck it out, but like I said, I wasn't feeling well. So that's okay. Sunday may not be the best day necessarily, but like I said, it was kind of a weird day, and there was no football on, so that may have made a big difference on people actually ordering. So we'll check Sundays out and see, but it may make a difference ultimately on that. So we'll see. But please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll be making some more videos. We're going to get some new video set up, so it'll be a little bit better looking as far as the quality goes. So please like and subscribe, and we'll be making more.